Now I'm going to take you through the process of pruning and training the crop. Now that we've already set up the crop support system, now we need to train this plant to the wires on the top. As you can see, we have several vines growing, and we need to select two main vines that will, two main desired vines. So I'll need to prune the rest vines so that I can be able to train now the two that I've selected, and I'm going to support it on this pole. I'll be cutting out the desired vines, removing them until I get the two main ones. As you can see, I still have some that I need to cut out. Okay, I'll continue removing the extra shoots and ensuring that I'm not removing the leaves. Just remove only the side shoots. Here is the shoots, which it usually grows above the leaf. So that's one that we are going to remove, but we make sure that we remove it so carefully that we do not damage the leaf, because we need the leaf so that it can manufacture the food for this plant. So those are the ones we are going to remove. Also, I'll need to remove all the tendrils. When I say the tendrils, these are the tendrils. I'll have to remove all of them. Okay, yeah, I keep on removing the tendrils. Oops, I've cut my shoot in both the vines. Now, once we are done pruning and we have already selected our two main vines, I'll need now to train the two vines together on the peg that we had provided. So I'll be tying it. I'll use the strings to ensure that, because remember it's a vine and then I removed the tendrils. So I'm going to use I'm now the one who's going to provide the support to the crop. It's important to remove all these other tendrils and the extra vines with the extra side shoots, so that we can be able to get a very healthy crop growing upwards, and it will give us it will be more productive than when it has all these other extra side shoots and leaves. As the crop is growing, as the passion fruit vine is growing, we'll continue removing the tendrils and the side shoots until it reaches, we ensure that it remains only two vines until it reaches the wire. Once the wire, now I start allowing one vine to go to the right side and the other one to the left. We'll twine it to the left side. Then we'll allow now our plant to grow to 1.5 meters this way and 1.5 meters to the other side. Okay, now as the plant is growing, we'll be twining the main vine onto the wire, and also allowing the laterals. These are the laterals. They will be growing now downwards. You can see all over their laterals. We'll not be removing all these ones. The only thing we'll be removing is the tendrils. So this is what we'll be removing on the laterals and on the main vine as we continue twining it. If we fail to twine the main laterals onto the wire and then allow it to hold it by the laterals, once it becomes heavy, it cannot hold the weight of the fruits. So it will break down and cause more damages to the plant. So it's very important to remove the tendrils, and you twine it yourself onto the main crop support system. So we'll be removing all these ones, and now twine it yourself, making sure that you do not break the main vine. So that will be done. Also, as you can see, this one has grown up to a length of up to 1.5 meters. It will be very important for us to snip it that way so that we can allow the other one to meet at this point. And now it will give the energy for the laterals to grow downwards.